Is your Toyota Corolla shaking, losing power, or running rough? That's a classic sign of an engine misfire, and the real cause might surprise you. First up, bad spark plugs or coils. Worn-out plugs can't ignite fuel properly, leading to misfires. Next, clogged fuel injectors. Dirt buildup stops fuel from spraying evenly, causing rough idling. Don't forget about vacuum leaks. A cracked hose lets in too much air, messing up the air-fuel mix. Then there's the faulty oxygen sensor. A failing sensor sends the wrong data to your ECU, causing poor performance. Lastly, timing or compression issues. These are rare, but can make your Corolla run rough too. Ignoring misfires can damage your catalytic converter fast. Get it diagnosed early to save on repairs.